All right, guys. Good morning. Welcome to another stream here. I'll give it 3 more minutes, and I'll wait until John finishes up in the private Discord room, and then we can get started. And ideally, we can get some more people in the room here. The more viewers, the better, of course. And then we'll start with the pre-market game plan. How's everyone doing so far, by the way? Are you guys watching anything in particular? And how is the sound, most important of all? Is it still loud like yesterday? Because I adjusted the volume, so it should be good. Okay, thank you, Vimas. All right, thank you, Jeep. Infi, let's have a look. So, yeah, I'm looking at that. As you can see, the daily chart has been pretty much beaten up. So it might offer a good long opportunity today for a psychological, who knows, $10 magnet. Because that looks very attractive there. Yeah, correct, Booty Bandit. Alright, let's fire it up and let's get started. Alrighty, guys, good morning, everyone. For those who are listening to me in the public Discord room, and as well as in the link that I posted in the other stream with the charts, you guys are listening to me live. Those who are still hovering in the channel with the scanner, they will get this message most likely at the open. Again, sorry about that, but those are the new rules from Trade Ideas. We had to delay the stream by 15 minutes. Again, yeah, it's a new rule from Trade Ideas and it's not in our hands. But if you are interested in joining us in the private Discord room, you will get access to all of the live features. So that's the live screen share, the live alerts. We got video lessons in there, watch lists that are being posted, and much more, of course. That all for just 39 bucks and 99 cents a month. And if you want to join, use the link precisiondaytrading.com, which is posted in the description just under the video, guys. Again, I will do this stream every day in the pre-market live preparation here for you guys for free, as we're still trying to put out value out there for you guys. And again, I'm gonna tell you, there is no other channel out there that does it like us, that calls out the trades like we do, guys. Again, quality will speak for itself. I don't have to say much about that. You guys already know how we do it here. So again, if you want to join us, use the link precisiondaytrading.com. It's posted in the description just under the video. And also, don't forget to check out the other affiliate links that we have in there. Trader Equity, that's a prop firm. They can offer you a fully funded account if you can pass their challenge, of course. Or if you want to switch from your old broker to either Webull or TradeZero, make sure to use any of those links that we have in there. and you will get some perks with that. All right, that's all out of the way here right now. So let's look at some charts, guys, and again, let's see what we can get going on for today. Yesterday, if you guys remember, I called out that DYAI short, as well as the NRXP, caught $2 a share on that, called it out live in the private Discord room, as well as on here for free, guys, well before the entry signal. We don't give you any wishy-washy areas of prices and whatnot. No, we call at the exact level of where we're going to stop, where we're going to enter. But more importantly, guys, we give you our risk area. So that means, you know, before I get into a trade, I already know where I'm going to stop out. That's so crucial, so you won't be left holding the bag and not knowing what to do when the stock reverses, guys. So again, that's really important. Risk management is key. All right, again, Tull, I'm looking at this name here, looking at the daily chart. If you guys are watching with me the charts here on the link that I just posted, hey J88, welcome. Again, the daily chart, it's pretty beaten up. You know, yesterday it had a little bounce as well. Looking here at the 5-minute, if we can get a washout maybe under 6, reclaim that VWAP there, we might even see a potential play again for a psychological 10, and you know, we might get that bounce here off the lows on the daily chart. So I'm watching TAL here. Hey, that's a good one, Mandalorian. JD, I mentioned that one yesterday. Again, all these China names are pretty beat, and look at it go right now. That's just unfortunate. I was still keeping an eye on it. Again, same idea there with the daily chart, guys. Pretty beaten up daily chart, looking for a bounce. Unfortunately, it already took off here. So yeah, Baba, Baidu, PDD, again, all these beaten up China names might get a bounce off their daily chart. So I think some of the laggards might be a good idea to keep an eye on them. So let's look at the next one. Yeah, I saw someone mentioned INFI, Infi. So this thing dumped actually yesterday and didn't do much. So sideways action. Looks like we already filled that gap here on the yeah, we filled the gap, and as you can see, you know, there's tons of overhead supply here. So I would not be comfortable to get long on such a name. I would rather wait for this to pop, you know, to squeeze maybe towards 250 or 3 area, and then I'll look for a short setup. That would be something I would be more comfortable with. GRVI, this one ripped earlier in the pre-market. I think Vimas and I were watching it as it had low volume still here in the 6s, and finally the volume came in, and look at it, just over 8 mil right now. So that's good. Right now we are hovering under that VWAP, 650s as well, key level there. Again, all-time highs is at 937s. Let's see, this 740. I always like to draw my lines on the pre-market highs or lows, depending on if it's gapping up or down, and then I like to see, you know, to get a good visual on the daily chart if there are any key levels that it might have trouble with. So again, right now you can see it gapped up here. It's not that far away from the all-time highs at 937s. This looks like a good marination actually here under this VWAP. Let me remove this. Again, those who are new to the channel here, again, this white line here represents the previous day close. So if the stock would have dropped under this line here, it would be red on the day. Right now it's gapping up, it's above that prior level. So again, we'll keep an eye if that level here under 6 can hold as support. Maybe that VWAP can come down, and again, there might be a long setup on this. So far, again, I'll be just monitoring this one. BT from yesterday, guys, again, you know, missed the short setup here, and Riley caught that one. Again, congrats Riley on the short setup. And here this morning again, gapped up into almost that 850 level. I drew my line here near this 10, you know, psychological level. As you can see here on the daily chart, guys, it's having a bounce off that psychological level 5 as well. So what I want to do with this one, again, same thing as with Infi, you know, that daily chart looks shitty. And again, I would like to see a pop maybe towards 850 or 9, maybe even 10 if this thing can get legs. And then I'll be looking for a short setup on BT. SPRT had a massive gap post-market, guys, 1086. This one is kind of in the same basket as GRVI, with the 52-week highs sitting at 945s here. So that might provide a potential long opportunity, guys. But we will keep an eye on it. As you can see, that 950 is also holding as resistance here. And it's still under that VWAP. So again, if we get that wash up maybe towards 8, reclaim VWAP, maybe it can set up for that break over that 950 and then a push again through for 10. And again, 945, say 950s being the 52-week highs. It held resistance here as well. So if that resistance becomes intraday support here, that might be a good thing to see this one set up for a potential long. Yeah, TAOP completely lost my interest here. Are you guys looking at anything else? Any other tickers you want me to go over? Hey Tater, haven't seen you in a while. Hope everything is well. You got them taters. Appreciate the comment there, Daniel. DD. Let's have a look. DI. Yeah, same thing. You know, beaten chart. Even you know, this is a recent IPO. And right now, yeah, it's having a little gap up here, marinating around that VWAP. Again, also psychological 10 here on the daily chart. So keep an eye on that. Might set up for a potential long. Hey, good morning, GD. Good morning. And again, guys, for those who just popped into the channel with the scanner only, you're listening to a delayed version by 15 minutes now. Again, if you want to get access to all of the live features, join us in the private Discord room for just $39.99 a month. Again, to join, use the link precisiondaytrading.com. And again, keep an eye out in the YouTube chat for the link that I will be posting every day at 9 a.m. to go over a live pre-market game plan each morning, guys. No, I haven't discussed Tilray. Alright, this one's having actually a nice gap here in the pre-market, Tilray. Let's have a look here. Let's clear this one out. Alright, yeah, so it's gapping up right now. 1435s here, pre-market highs. And if you look at the daily chart, you can see support. Right now it's gonna test as resistance. You're gonna see also that psychological 15 being there. But if it can pop over it and hold again as support, then you know there might be something there. But I would not be comfortable chasing it right now the way it's moving already from that VWAP. Neuro. Let's have a look. Neuro. Um, there's no volume in it right now, T-Dub. And this thing looks weak as hell, you know. If this thing drops under this level, it might even fill the gap down on the daily chart. So again, Neuro, you know, and all the others, those are just names that are running on a catalyst, pump and dump type of names. You want to be there when there's volume, guys. Do not anticipate them. Do not go into the bag holding mentality, because you might be holding the bag forever until there comes again a catalyst to move the stock and a pump. And that's the day when I want to be there. All right, guys, we got less than a minute left here before the opening bell. I will stop the stream here with the scanner, and so I can focus up for intraday. But guys, again, thank you all for joining. Tomorrow we will do it all over again. So make sure to join, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like. And again, for those who are listening to me right now in the channel with the scanner only, guys, this is a delayed version by 15 minutes. These are the new rules from Trade Ideas. It's not in our hands. If you want to join us, use the link precisiondaytrading.com. There you will get access to all of the live features. Alrighty, let's focus up. Good luck out there. Remember, do not get into that FOMO feeling, guys. Make sure to slap yourself and wash your hands and come back refreshed. Good luck again. And again, thank you guys for watching.